Hi students, today we will continue with 2.2, basic operation on matrices. After a brief introduction, now we will do some operation, only the basic. So today the learning standard is we will do subtract, add and subtract matrices. This is add and subtract. This is very easy, no problem for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, addition and subtraction of matrices can only be performed on the matrices with the same order. This is very important. Must be the same order. If it is different order, you cannot add or subtract. Let's say the matrix 2 by 2, you can add with the matrix 2 by 2. You cannot 2 by 2, you add matrix 2 by 3. You cannot add. Why? Because each corresponding element is added or subtracted to obtain a single matrix with the same order. So if you have matrices like this, 3, 2, 4, 0, you want to add with different order. Let's say 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 9. How do you add this? The corresponding element 3 plus 1. Okay. It become 4. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2. Okay. 4. Okay. You can plus this one. 0 plus 4. Okay. But then what happened to here? You cannot do it. Nothing to add in here. So please remember, you cannot add or subtract if the order is not the same. It must be the same order. Okay. And how to add or subtract? It's just very simple. You just add. If it is addition, you just see the corresponding element. A11 is with B11. You can add. It will come here. A12, B12, this one. Add. You add. Same as this one. For addition. For subtraction, it's just the same. The corresponding elements, you just minus. Here. This is very simple and common sense to answer this. Okay. We look at example 6. Determine whether addition and subtraction can be performed in the following pairs of matrices. Give your reason. Okay, see this one. This is 2 by 3. The order. This one is 2 by 2. Of course, this one cannot. Cannot be added or subtracted. So this is the answer. For B, you see this one, the same order, right? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So yes, you can subtract or add, because they have the same order. This C also have the same order, but D different order. So D cannot. C, yes. Okay, can you see that? Because of the order, Next, example 7. It is given matrix C. Matrix C is this one. Matrix D is this one. P is this one. Wow, very big. Mixed numbers, and Q, this one. So you calculate C plus D, C plus D. So this one, C plus D, So what do? You just add, This is your C. This is your D. You just add the corresponding element, 10 plus 14. You'll get this one, And then all this, you add, and then you'll get the answer here, and you have the same order. Yeah, you get back the same order here. Okay, I think does not need any explanation. Just be careful over here lah when you add. Sometimes you, for this one, if I were you, I'll just use my brain. Yeah, I don't use calculator lah. Negative 8, this one plus and negative will come minus, then it will be negative 10. You just add all here because it's all negative, right? Okay, so this is very basic, your form 1. Should not explain it today. Okay, next for P minus Q. For P minus Q, also the same. You write your P and your Q, then you minus corresponding element. Yeah, corresponding element. This one. And finally, you subtract everything, then you get this one. Yeah, the same order. Same order. This is 3 by 3. And then this matrix also 3 by 3. You plus with matrix 3 by 3, you'll get matrix 3 by 3. Okay. This one a bit different. It's not straightforward. Given matrix D is this one. Matrix E is this. And D plus E, answer already given to you. So calculate the value of X and Y. Okay, this one how to do? Wow, we just follow the instruction here. Yeah, D plus E. D is 2x minus 1, negative 3, negative 12, 5 plus Y, plus your E is x 2, 7, Y, equal this one, right? Okay, this is the most important part. You must write this equation, but everything is in matrix. Okay, now you know that, you know what? You know that 2x minus 1 plus x will become 8. So of course you can find your x. Yeah, here you are asked to find your x and y. So you just write the equation. It will become an algebraic equation. Plus x become 8. So you just solve this linear equation. Yeah, just solve it. 2x will be 3x equal this one plus 8 plus 1 shortcut lah 9. So x will be 3. Okay. Okay, for your y, we erase this one first. For your y, okay, this is x. Okay, let's see where you have your y here. This one, 5 plus y plus y here is the corresponding element is here, is 13, right? So 2y equal 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8, right? So y will be 4. So you got your answer here. Yeah, y 4, then your x is 3. Okay. Okay, now let's see example 9. Given matrix F plus this matrix minus this matrix will come this one. So our question, calculate the matrix F. Yeah. So how to do? Calculate matrix F. So we write this one back. Yeah. F plus 16 negative 3 minus 7 10 equal negative 2 and 3. Yeah. So you can get F if you, this one you transfer to here, right? So you just do the normal linear equation. Huh? So for this one, you minus, yeah, minus 16 negative 3, and then for this one, because it is minus here, you plus, yeah, you plus 7 and 10, and then your F, what do you get? You use corresponding element, you just minus and plus, yeah, negative 2 minus 16 plus 7, and then your 3 minus negative 3, and then plus 10. Okay, so your F is, you just solve this one, you'll get negative 11, this one you'll get 16. Yes, so this is your F. You got it already. Okay, example, last example, example 10. The table, this question is quite different. The table on the right shows the stock records, yeah, from 4 textbooks of science, maths, and economy in SMK Taman Surya. Calculate the closing stock. Yeah, closing stock. What does it mean by closing stock? Yeah, that means you want to get your final books. Yeah, how many you want to calculate, how many books do you have at the end for this closing stock. So what do? You must know your opening stock, yeah, you add with your new books, and then some of the books are lost and damaged, this one you have to minus lah, because cannot be used. So closing stock is you opening stock, you plus with new books, then you minus with loss and damage. Okay, this one you can understand. Okay, good. So now let's do it. Okay, so you understand this one, right? Closing stock is opening stock plus new books received and minus loss and damaged books. Okay, so how do you do this in matrix form? Actually, if you do in matrix form, it's very easy, very easy. So you write it like this: closing stock equal, so you write in matrix. So for the opening stock is this one, right? So you write, 3 to 6, because we are doing this one first. 3 to 6, 3, 3, 5, 82. Okay, close the bracket. You add, you add your new books. New books. So new books is this one. 56, 47, 15. And then you minus, this one you minus. You minus your loss and damage. This is your loss and damage. Yes. So what do you get? What you must do the operation with the corresponding element. So 33 to 6 you must add with 56 minus with 32. Yeah. And then your what? Your 335 you plus with your 47, and then you minus with your 26, and finally Finally, we use the red color. 82 plus 15 and minus 11. You close your bracket and you will get your answer here. Okay, 350, 356 and 86. But this one is in matrix form. You have to tell it in a sentence. Yeah. So the closing stock for science, maths and economy are like that. So you have to write like this. I better write this one here. Yeah, 350, 356 and 86. Yeah. Erase this one. Little clearer. Okay. So you write like this. Hence, the closing stock of science, maths and economy textbooks are, you write this one back, respectively. Okay. So far so good for addition and subtraction. Next Friday we will do multiplication and division. Okay. So that's all for today. Very short one. Our lesson only is add and subtraction. So I'm very sure you can do it. You can do the exercises. Yeah. If you have problems, you just rewind and play the video again. Okay. So that's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.